5 right, advice on Taiwan Taiyuan Airport, ATIS information November, time 4821 Zulu, wind 020 at 14, visibility 21, temperature 18, viewpoint 15, QNH 1012, remarks, no pattern work, no light aircraft accepted at this time, use of departure and arrival procedures recommended, landing runways 5 left and 5 right, expect ILS approach, departing runways 5 left and 5 right, advice on initial contact, you have information November. Taiwan Taiyuan Airport, ATIS
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu, ready for pushback with
New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu, pushback.
Pushback approved, tail to the west, New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu. Continuing ahead, EVA 896 India November Heavy.
EVA 896 India November Heavy, turn left next taxiway.
Left on the next taxiway, EVA 896 India November Heavy.
Emirates 367 Super, contact Taiwan Taiyuan Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Taiwan Taiyuan Tower on 118.7, Emirates 367 Super.
EVA 520, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 5 right, EVA 520. November 32, you are on an active airport. Please contact Taiwan Taiyuan ground on 121.6.
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, November 32, request taxi to parking. Taiwan Taiyuan ground, Tai 455, request taxi to gate C1 at the terminal 2.
November 32, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Taiwan Taiyuan ground, Japan Air 521, ready to taxi to runway 5 left with information November.
Taxi to parking, November 32.
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, China Eastern 5006, ready for pushback with information November, requesting runway 23 left.
Thai 455, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 5 right, Tai 455. Tai 455, disregard last message.
Japan Air 521, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 5 right, Japan Air 521.
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, Tai 455, request taxi to gate C1 at the terminal 2.
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, Hawaiian 7801, request taxi to stand 615 at the remote apron. Thai 455, taxi to terminal 2 gate C1 via India, Quebec 2, Romeo.
Taxiing to terminal 2 gate C1 via India, Quebec 2, Romeo, Tai 455.
Hawaiian 7801, taxi to remote apron stand 615 via Quebec, Quebec 5. Taxiing to remote apron stand 615 via Quebec, Quebec 5, Hawaiian 7801. 118.7. Contacting Taiwan Taiyuan Tower on 118.7, EVA 520.
Pushback approved, tail to the north, China
Taiwan Taiyuan ground, New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu, ready to taxi to runway 5 left with information November.
New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway.
New Zealand 7-8
Give way to aircraft, New Zealand 7-8 November Zulu.
EVA 689 Heavy, contact Taiwan Taiyuan Tower on 118.7. Contacting Taiwan Taiyuan Tower on 118.7, EVA 689 Heavy. Taiwan Taiyuan ground, November 502 Juliet Whiskey Heavy, ready to push back with information November, requesting runway 5 right. November 502 Juliet Whiskey Heavy, pushback approved, tail to the north.
Taiwan Taoyuan ground, Cathay 23, request taxi to gate C3 at the Terminal 2.
Cathay 23, taxi to Terminal 2 Gate C3 via Sierra 6, Sierra, Quebec 5.
Taxiing to Terminal 2 Gate C3 via Sierra 6, Sierra, Quebec 5, Cathay C3.
Sky 455, hold position.
Holding position, Sky 455.
8.7.
Contacting Taiwan Taoyuan Tower on 118.7, New Zealand 78 November Zulu.
Thai 634 heavy, wind 040 at 15 gusting 24, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land. And Air 521. Cathay 420, will even turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, Cathay 420.
Japan Air 521, wind 040 at 16 gusting 24, runway 5 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 5 right, Japan Air 521. Philippines 890 Papa Romeo Heavy, will even turn right, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Philippines 890 Papa Romeo Heavy.
We're in the dark, it's getting late.
New Zealand 78 November Zulu, line up.
Line up and wait runway 5 right, New Zealand 78 November Zulu.
We both know it's not what it seems.
Philippines 890 Papa Romeo Heavy, thank you, good day. Japan Air 521, contact Taipei Center on 127.0.
Thank you, good day, Philippines 890 Papa Romeo Heavy.
But I want the lights on.
Contacting Taipei Center on 127.0, Japan Air 521. Eva 656 Heavy, will even turn left and contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Eva 656 Heavy. Taiwan Taiyuan Tower, Dynasty 859 Heavy, inbound. New Zealand 78 November Zulu, wind 04.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 5 right, New Zealand 78 November Zulu.
Contacting Taiwan Taoyuan Tower on 118.7, Alpha 7 Mike Foxtrot Sierra.
Dynasty 859 Heavy, wind 040 at 14 gusting 24, number 1, runway 5 left, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 5 left, Dynasty 859 Heavy.
Taiwan Taoyuan Tower, Swiss 210 Lima Echo Heavy is 9 nautical miles to the east at 11,000 feet, inbound for landing.
Swiss 210 Lima Echo Heavy, enter right downwind runway 5 right.
Enter right downwind runway 5 right, Swiss 210 Lima Echo Heavy.
New Zealand 78 November Zulu, contact Taipei Center on 127.0. Alpha 7 Mike.
Contacting Taipei Center on 127.0, New Zealand 78 November Zulu.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 5 right, Alpha 7 Mike Foxtrot Sierra.
Etihad 898 Heavy, 1040 at 18 left into course, number 2, runway 5 left, clear to land.
Skywalker 888 Sierra Quebec, radar contact. Attention all aircraft, Taipei Center is now closed, good day.
Taipei Center, Cathay 530 Heavy, with you at 33,000.
Cathay 472 Heavy, contact Taipei approach on 125.1.
Thank you, good day, Emirates 167 Victor Alpha.
Emirates 167 Victor Alpha, contact Taipei approach on 125.1.
Contacting Taipei approach on 125.1, Emirates 167 Victor Alpha. Thank you, good day, Cathay 543 Heavy. Lima 689 Heavy, request Taipei Center, Golf Tango Hotel November, with you at 32,000. Thank you, good day, FedEx 2610.
This was never the way I planned, not my intention. I got so brave, drink in hand, lost my discretion. It's not what I'm used to, just wanna try you on. I'm curious for you, caught my attention. Don't even know your name. It doesn't matter. You're my experimental game. Just human nature. It's not what good girls do. Not how you should be. So confused. I do that. Soft skin, red lips, so kissable. Hard to resist, so touchable. So good to deny it. Ain't no big deal until it's all. I kissed the girl I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed the girl just to try it. I hope my boyfriend don't mind it.
get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. Say I'm free. You do it when you're lying. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key. I'm just right. I get those goosebumps every time. You come around, you lose my mind, make everything so fine. Worry about those times, I'm missing out, please listen down. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that heartbeat, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time. All around, throw that to the side. When I'm pulling up right beside you, heart's all in the line. Text you damn wild. Throw a stack on the Bible. I'm Snapchat or took Molly. She fought who played me, her and all her game. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off through Henny. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all. Yeah, when I'm with my squad, I cannot do no wrong. Yeah, saucing in the city, don't get misinformed. Yeah, they gon' put up on you. Yeah, we gon' do some things you can't relate. Yeah, cause we from a place of things you cannot stay. Oh, you can't go. Oh, I don't know. Oh, back the fuck up. I get those goosebumps every time. You come around, you lose my mind, you make everything so fine. Worry about those times, I'm wasting time. Please listen down. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that heartbeat, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. All around, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.